How to retrieve deleted text on your iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually retrieve your deleted text on your iPhone, so make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to retrieve your deleted text on your iPhone, so let's say when you were chatting with somebody, you happen to accidentally delete a specific chat. So let me just go ahead and select this whole chat over here, and then I'll just tap on delete. This is one thing. The other is if I'll just delete only one specific chat from one person. So basically I'll just open this chat and I'll delete only this one specific person. I'll tap on more and I'll choose the option called delete, and I'll only delete one chat versus I deleted the whole chat. So I'll show you how you can restore both of these, right? All you have to do is just tap on the filters tab from the top left of your messages app over here, and then you'll see all this where you'll find recently deleted, and then here you'll find the messages that we've deleted. So you can see the whole contact that we deleted, and you can only see the specific chat that we deleted. Just tap on both of these and then tap on recover. Tap on recover messages. Now you can basically come back. If you go to all messages, now you'll find the chat over here as well, and if you scroll down as well, you'll find the chat that we just deleted. And that is it on how you can retrieve deleted chats on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.